How to organize your hard drive in Windows 11 by creating partitions. You can improve file organization on the hard drive of your HP computer by creating and naming partitions. Creating a new partition on your Windows drive. From the taskbar, search for Disk Management and then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Do not partition volumes named System Reserved, Recovery, Factory_Image, or HP_Tools. Right-click the C drive and then select Shrink Volume. The drive is checked for available free space. Adjust the amount of space to shrink and then select Shrink. When the shrink process is complete, the new partition is displayed in the Disk Management utility as unallocated space. Right-click the unallocated space and then select New Simple Volume. In the New Simple Volume wizard, click Next. The Specify Volume Size window is displayed. Accept the default setting, which uses all unallocated space, or change the value in the Simple Volume Size in Megabyte field and then click Next. Select a letter to assign the new partition and then click Next. To name the drive, type a name in the Volume Label field. Make sure the Perform a Quick Format and Enable File and Folder Compression checkboxes are not selected, and then click Next. Review the new partition settings, then click Finish. The partition is created and now displays in Disk Management. When the formatting completes, you can start storing data on the drive. Deleting and extending a partition. You can delete a partition and then add the unallocated space to extend another partition on the drive. Right-click the volume or partition you want to delete, then select Delete Volume. Deleting a partition or volume removed all data that exists on that section of the drive. Back up any data on the drive, then select Yes. The partition is deleted and displays as unallocated space. To add the unallocated space to an existing partition on the drive, right-click the volume you want to extend, then select Extend Volume. Select Next, and then select Next again. Select Finish. The space is now added to the volume you chose. Add, change, or remove a drive letter. If you have a drive that has not been assigned a letter yet, or if you prefer a letter other than the one assigned by Windows, you can add, change, or remove a drive letter in Disk Management. Right-click the drive or partition you want to modify, then select Change Drive Letter and Paths. If the partition was recently created but not assigned a drive letter, select Add and then follow the prompts to assign a drive letter. Otherwise, select Change to assign a different drive letter or Remove to unassign a drive letter. Follow any prompts to complete the change. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.